Another popular topic is what happens if a tooth needs to be extracted. Daily, I see patients referred by their dentist to see if I can replace a tooth or multiple teeth the same day with dental implants. If the tooth has not already been removed, many times I can remove the tooth, place the dental implants, add bone grafting material, and a new temporary tooth onto the implant the same visit. So you can leave the office that day with a new permanent tooth and avoid the embarrassment of going without a tooth or a number of teeth. If the tooth has recently been extracted, then it may require several months of healing before a dental implant can be placed. Contact me for your free consultation and let me show what I can do for you.